Hi, do you know how can you become a banker in private sector banks and can start your career with good grade and designation? Hi friends, my name is Sudarshan and I'm a professional banker, and today in this video I'll be talking about how can you become a banker in private sector banks and can start your career with good grade and designation. So before moving ahead, I would let you know a bit about beauty of this banking industry and why should you make your career in this esteemed industry. So friends, the first thing is good salary. The motto of every person is earning good money. Then job security and of course holidays. Bank have a fair number of holidays than you can get while working in any other private industry, right? And the most important thing is it's for everyone. Banking sector is open for everyone irrespective of your streams in your academics and in your graduation. So now we come to the topic. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to know is eligibility criteria. Any graduate, postgraduate can make their career in private sector banks. So now we come to the special qualification. So to start your career in private sector banks with good grade and designation, you should have special qualifications like MBA, postgraduate diploma in banking and finance offered by banks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and so on. These banks also offered this diploma, and you also get hired by banks. So here I found out this way is the easiest and in your budget to start your career in banking industry with good grade and designation, right? What are the other recruitment sources of hiring employee in private sector banks are business schools, recognized MBA universities, their employees referral scheme and their career portals. So moreover, I want to tell you, employee referral scheme is the prominent source of hiring employee in private sector banks. So you may also come on LinkedIn and can get in touch with the banking professional and for the upcoming vacancies. Right? Guys, based on my experience, if you want to make your career in private sector banks, then you should go for the postgraduate diploma in banking and finance offered by banks, right? Because here I found out this is the easiest way and in budget to start your career in this industry with good grade and designation. Well, I'm a MBA graduate. I invested lots of money in MBA, right? But I also got the good grade and designation. When I was in my last semester, even I did not know that I will be into this industry. But trust me, it's a amazing industry. So you all are welcome in this industry. Guys, if you have any question or doubt, please write in the comment box. I would love to answer all of your comments. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you again. Thank you very much.